So what is going on, guys? Last weekend, or actually technically the last evening of the bow hunting privilege having some flavor, because tomorrow boomsticks come out. So I actually brought mine. We're definitely going to put something on the ground, God willing, if it gets in our path, which I think it will, because we've patterned the deer and they're mainly on the east side. So I think we're going to put something on the ground this weekend, and hopefully we do, because after this the fireworks go off in the woods and the deer know what's up. So this is technically our last shot, because I'm going to Columbia the following weekend, and I've got a wedding, and then Columbia, and there goes the opportunity to take a doe. So after that you can only take a buck, and we'll just have to get a cruiser if that's the case, because there's only one shooter that was cruising around last weekend in the east field, the Field of Dreams is what I call it, and that he hasn't been on cameras all season, so, or all year, except maybe once in August, but that was maybe been a different one. But anyway, we'll see how that goes. Hopefully we can put down a hog. I got some slop too, and we'll see how it goes. Today is November 2nd, All Souls Day, so pray for the ones that may be in purgatory. Ooh. And even the ones that are in hell, even though it's like eternal damned. But either way, ooh, remember someone, and we'll see you on the stomping grounds. Woo-wee. So we just got settled into the pop-up line over here on the west side. I had to go back to camp to go get a we'll see what's up. Alright, time now is 10:38 and we haven't seen a deer in an hour and a half. Or heard a gunshot in even longer, so we're gonna go ahead and call it for the morning and work our way back real slow because we may run into something on the east side and go eat some tacos and have a few drinks and take it easy, and then we'll get back out here pretty soon so that we can get a nice evening on it. But sun goes down tonight at 6:30, so I reckon we should probably be here maybe by like 3. So in a few hours we'll be back. So next time we'll wait. Let's get back. All right, time check. It's 3:16 and we're about to get at it. So see you in the stand. They're going to the far ones, but yeah, even the west side is pretty weird. Whew, it is windy. Straight south, or straight east, southeast wind. Oh yeah. Alright, time check, 3:35. We're back in the stand in the evening, so we got till 7 o'clock, so we got 3.5 hours. So let's see what happens. So the weather it's about 75 degrees, I would say, and the wind is coming from the southeast east, in my opinion. It seems to be swirling, but it's definitely coming from this direction because that's the north vent line. So we're just gonna sit here. Our wind is gonna be fine, and we got some some dopey estrus out on a little towel above on them behind us. So I think we'll be good. So stick with us. Alright. So this is the first time and probably the only time I ever opened birthday cards in the woods. So this was from Tom and Irma, I think, because they call me Jam. Alaska, as we heard, was probably about 15 minutes ago.